Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody is trying to bevel an interactive fill tool color. Really can't be done. I've kind of done it. You lose a little bit of the color. If we take an ellipse and hit P and then Control D and make a duplicate and then bring it in, I'm going to make a new color and I'm going to use actually red. And then I'm going to nudge that out of the way, and I'm going to make this red, and then I'm going to grab it all, and I'm going to put it no outline. I am going to bevel it, and I get that. But now I need to turn this into a bitmap. I'm just using RGB. And then I'm going to take the transparency tool, and I'm going to make it a little bit transparent. Then I'm going to take this one and use my interactive fill tool. And you could do different colors. I'm going to go ahead and pick yellow. So we got some pretty vibrant colors, but if we put it on top, the transparency of the other one falls through. Now it's not as sharp a bevel as it would be if you had a full-blown color, but I don't think it'll show up. Well, it won't show up if you put the other in front. So there's really, let's go to back of page. So you just can't, the bevel just takes over, so you need to make it a little transparent. And it's always better to maybe like 50%, and then hit P. And you lose a lot. You don't see a lot of the bevel, but it is a bevel there. And you could probably, look at that. Just change it to where you think you look good. Anyway, I hope that kind of answered his question, and thank you for watching.